Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel for a super exciting video, as today in this little unsuspecting box I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, so I've just taken it out of the packaging in order to hide my address, but before I take it out of all of the nice plastic and let you hear all of the good stuff, there's a few things that I want to tell you. First off is I am a Samsung user at heart, so this is a very big change for me. Ever since I've had my first phone, I've had a Samsung, and I'm currently using a Samsung A5 2017 model, so a very old one in comparison to what I've just got, so it is a big jump. And the reason I've decided to take that leap of faith, there are a few. The main one being that my current phone has about, I think it's 32 gigabytes of storage, correct me if I'm wrong, and I really struggle with it, especially since going to online uni and needing new apps and things to be downloaded onto my phone. I just needed more storage, and Apple just offers so much more storage wise than Samsung does, so that was a massive reason for me to switch. Another one is that now I've got this YouTube channel, I obviously edit my videos on a MacBook. It's a very old one, but it's still a MacBook, and there's obviously features between the MacBook and the iPhone that you can sync, I think might be the right word for it. And the reason I've gone for this particular iPhone is because Charlie's got the iPhone 11 Pro and I really like it. I like how it looks, I love the camera quality, because in comparison to what I've got now, say no more, it's literally through the roof. And I know that if I got a more up-to-date Samsung it would probably be just as good, but everyone always raves about the camera quality on these new iPhones, so I really wanted to get one. I'm wanting to get back into my Instagram and take better photos, better quality photos, and not have to rely on my camera all the time to do that. So make sure you go and follow my Instagram, it's always linked down below. And yeah, those are my main reasons for switching. Just thought I'd let you guys know why I've gone from Samsung to Apple. I'm now going to start unboxing it, which I'm so excited for. As you can probably tell, I don't know if the colours are on the front of these, I've never bought an Apple product before. I've gone for the iPhone 12 Pro in graphite. I went for it with 128 gigabytes of storage, which as I said is a lot more than my current phone, even though it's not the most. This does go up to, like, I think the next one is 258 gig, and then it's like 500 gig, which is just ridiculous. So I'm on contract with this phone with Virgin. I've got it for 36 months, which is absolutely fine for me because I don't have much interest in updating my phone that often. And I'm paying £40 a month for my phone and my contract, which includes unlimited calls, unlimited text, and 100 gigabytes of internet. And that is the February deal tariff wise on Virgin Media's website, so be sure to go and check that out. I think this video should go up before the end of Feb, just before, so if this is of interest to you then definitely hop on that bandwagon because it's such a good price. Anyway, let's get on to the good stuff and start opening this bad boy up. I'm going to come so close so you can hear all of the peeling. This is slowly turning into an ASMR video, but I really don't mind. This is how it looks. Even the box is just so sleek. I love it. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh my god, how gorgeous. The ring light is really reflecting off it, so you can't see the colour that well. It's not as light as it looks through the ring light, but oh my god, she is stunning. I'm so excited. I haven't had a new phone in the longest time. So when you pull the phone out, it's got the screen covered, which we'd love to see, and then you've got your USB-C cable in there as well, which I'll talk to you a little bit more about in a second, because we have to peel off . Oh wow, we love to see it. I really don't want to get my fingerprints on it, but wow, absolutely stunning. Really, like, not as heavy as I thought. It's a lot lighter, or feels a little bit lighter than my current phone, so that's always a bonus. I'm literally going to put this flat on the floor so that I don't get any marks on it right now. As I said, you then have the USB-C cable inside, and this is kind of frustrating because with the 12 Pro, this is all you get. You don't get a plug socket, you don't get any headphones, and I'm so used to having that with Samsung. So I've actually had to do a little Amazon haul, which I'm actually going to show you now. I haven't opened my packages yet, so I'm going to quickly open them and show you guys what I've got to go with this, because there are obviously a few things that I need to buy to go with the phone. So I've just opened up all of my packages and I'm really happy with everything that I've received. And the first thing that I picked up, as I said, was obviously the plug socket. There are lots of different varieties of these on Amazon, but I chose to pick the official Apple one because I thought better safe than sorry, and it had really good reviews. It's fast charging, it's 20 watt, which is apparently special, and I also like that the what are they called, like prongs, fold in. Let's take it out of the box and show you guys properly. So this is how it comes when you first take it out of the box. It's obviously got packaging on it, which I need to remove. And oh, it's just so sleek. It's so, everything is so much sleeker and prettier than Samsung, I will give it that. Oh, okay, I see you. And it just flicks out. Oh, I can't do it like that. I'm just so mesmerised by anything, like you just don't get this with Samsung. Yeah, that's really nice and would be great for travelling, because I always find it awkward when your pins can't go down. So love to see that. This was £19, so quite pricey, but as I said, it is the official Apple one, and I will leave links in the description box to all of these accessories and items that I picked up, so if you guys wanted to buy any of these, then you certainly can. I then picked up a case for my phone because I ain't dropping this bad boy the minute I get it and smashing it, so I want to be extra careful. This one is the Taraz case, I think you pronounce it like that. I'll leave all the links down below anyway, as I said. And I decided to go for a shockproof one, which is by no means the prettiest, but it's definitely the safest, and so that's why I picked it. I've got no idea what this is. What's this? I don't know. It comes with things that I have no idea what they are, which we'd love to see and could have predicted. This is the case that I've gone for. Again, I got the graphite phone, so just went for a dark case, and it's got, I think they call it a lip, so that when you actually put it on the phone, do you know what, I'll just show you guys. It sticks out a little bit. So this is what I mean. I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but the case sticks out over the screen so that if you drop it, it is shockproof and won't smash, or that's what we hope anyway. This was actually quite a reasonable price. It was only £12, so we love to see that because phones cost a lot of money and I don't like spending a lot of money. This is what it looks like from the back. Love the look of that. Really, really nice. And because it's see-through, I think you can still see the Apple logo, which is a nice touch. I also bought this headphone adapter, and again, this was really cheap, and it's purely just so I can carry on using the headphones that I've currently got, which obviously fit a Samsung and not an iPhone. I also don't really like earphones that haven't got the squishy little buds on. I think most of the Apple earphones don't come with that, and hence why I haven't bought any AirPods, because I just don't think they're very comfortable for me. I do like having squishy ones, so I picked up a headphone adapter just so that I can carry on using the ones that I like, and also mine are a lot cheaper to replace than if I was to lose an AirPod, so we love to see that. And yeah, that's the reason why I picked that up. Doesn't really need more explanation. And I also picked up, last but not least, obviously some screen protectors. There's actually 3 in here, which I thought was really good for the price. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I thought they were always useful because I'm sure I'll crack them at some point. It's always good to have a few spares lying around. And I got the Jet Tech ones. They look like this. So I'm not going to film myself putting one of these on because I'm scared of air bubbles, so I need to make sure I do it really, really carefully. I think the last thing for me to show you guys is actually me turning on the phone. I haven't given it a charge, but I assume there's a little bit of battery in here. So here's my first time turning on my brand new phone. Ooh! I feel so classy and so bougie. I'm just so mesmerised by everything, as I said. I'm going to turn it on and have a little play around on it, put my screen protector on, and then I might pop back on and let you guys know what I think after a few days of using it, after setting it all up, and let you know how easy it was to set up. So I'll be back, but as for now, that was me unboxing my new iPhone. First impressions are really good. I really like it, and at first I was a bit sad about losing my old phone, but now I'm quite happy about it because this phone is so much prettier than what I've got, and it's got better storage, it's got better everything. So I'm really excited to set this up and start using it. But I will catch up with you guys in a few days once I've figured everything out for myself and let you know how I get on. Goodbye. Well, hello again everyone. Excuse the weird location. I'm just editing this video downstairs and realised that I didn't pop back on to say how I was getting on with the phone. I think it's been about 3 days since I recorded the video, and I'm actually getting on really well with it. I'm noticing the benefits of upgrading battery wise, especially. I went on like a 3-hour walk yesterday and my battery lasted, whereas with my old phone that would just never happen. It was unheard of. I've also downloaded so many apps. You guys can see all of these I've downloaded. I could not have that many on my old phone whatsoever, and it's only used 20 gigabytes of storage. Obviously my gallery and things are all empty because when I tried to transfer over the things from my Android to my Apple, it just didn't work. There was an option to do it, but it kept saying that there was a transfer error, so I figured it was better to start afresh, which I'm really happy that I did. I really like other features of this iPhone as well. For instance, I like having the FaceTime feature, which is kind of just the same as phoning someone on Messenger or WhatsApp video call, but it's nice to have an alternative. And I also like, I think it's called Memoji. You can set up a little avatar which is exactly the same as your face and send that to other Apple users of you like talking and just doing things. It's kind of silly but also kind of fun, and something that Android phones just doesn't have. So I've really enjoyed using that feature so far. I haven't got as far as choosing my screensaver or my lock screen or anything, but I have really enjoyed using the basic functions of the phone. There was a few things that I was like, how do I do this? Like, how do I screenshot? How do I do, you know, things like that. But they're really easy to adapt to, and once you know how to do those things, you don't need to be told again. So I would say that it's been a pretty smooth transition for me, to be honest. I'm really glad about that because I'm not the best when it comes to using technology, and that's about it. So if you've made it to the end, then thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it's been of some use to you if you're thinking of upgrading to the iPhone 12 Pro, and especially if you're a Samsung user or Android user who's concerned about moving to the iPhone world. I hope it's a little bit reassuring that it can be done, and it can be done quite easily. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, then please don't forget to give it a like, comment and subscribe down below. Don't forget that I've linked all of the accessories that I bought for my phone in the description box, so feel free to check those out as well. And other than that, have a lovely day, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.